Safaricom remains committed to the IEBC, in line with the contract we have with them, to relay the results from the CHEMS device to whichever server IEBC wants us to relay it to. These are innocent members of staff who just came to do their jobs, and to put their names into the political arena at a time when the temperature is so high. I have had to double up on their security for them and for their families. And let me ask you a question. How would you feel if it was your brother? How would you feel it was your brother and his wife and his children who are now exposed to this kind of risk because of a political agenda? I'm urging all political sides to stick to politics and to leave companies and businesses out of this. So there's no action I'm going to take against my people. The DCI will conduct its investigation, and if anything is found to be done wrong, I am the one who should be prosecuted, not my team. And I open myself. I say, prosecute me. Don't pick my innocent team. And don't put their names in the newspapers. Don't put their pictures in the newspapers. And don't expose their families unnecessarily. I will hold whoever, if any harm comes to any of my people, I will hold people personally responsible for that. And so, let's be very clear about that. It's not funny.